What's up you guys, it's the BA. Today we're going to be looking at how much Boilermakers make here in South Africa. What is a Boilermaker? A Boilermaker is a person who fabricates steel, iron or copper into boilers and other large containers intended to hold hot gas or liquid. Boilermakers are also responsible for maintaining and repairing boilers and boiler systems. Boilers are large tanks that are used in liquid pressure systems, especially where heating of liquids takes place. The salaries are as follows. Entry level, 71 rands and 83 cents per hour, which is about 11.5 thousand rands per month. Early career, 78 rands and 38 cents per hour, which is about 12.5 thousand per month. Mid-career, 91 rands and 12 cents per hour, which is about 14.6 thousand rands per month. Experienced, 109 rands and 90 cents per hour, which is about 17.6 thousand rands per month. That's it you guys, thanks for watching. Do check out my other videos, and as always, mischief managed.